Welcome back, Cryptomaniacs. Today, this evening, tonight, I got a bunch full of nice news. Shout out to JSnip4 spreading awareness about lending platforms and Ponzi scheme pumping YouTubers. I'm not gonna make any name, but you know who I'm talking about, probably. I love these guys. And I want to be also on that side because morally it's right to spread awareness that Ponzi schemes in the end close down actually stealing money. So, uh, well, if you are not aware that BitPetite is a scam and has closed down the page, BitConnect is a scam but is the longest lasting scam in the world, in the cryptocurrency world till now. It doesn't mean it's better than the others. What do you mean by that? Most of these schemes and website are just ridiculously easy. Copy paste from other web pages. Many landing platforms and Ponzi schemes have just taken personalities to put it in on the web page and all that. Let's get into GRX for now. GRX is live and it's trading for $4, guys. I got into the ICO and it's just awesome. So guys, there we are. Gold reward token, $4.16, guys. I purchased it for 80 cents, 90 cents. Please remind me what the ICO price was for round. No, I got in the pre-sale. Even lower than that? Well, I got 51 GRX tokens and it's doing just great, and I won't sell them. I won't sell them because I promised to myself that I wasn't going to do the error of selling for a low and then seeing the price going higher and higher by time after months or so. So I'm just patient and I'll be waiting. Now, total supply 20 million, and pretty much all of it is actively circulating supply. Now let's go and see on the markets. It's just Ether Delta. Let's open up Ether. No. Let's open up Ether Delta. There we go with a fat Indo. And we see a lot of sales, guys, and I was amazed before that there are even sales for 500 Ethereum. One token, 500 Ethereum. That's crazy. That's just crazy. Somebody who's trying it, but they are dreaming about it. 1 Ethereum, 0908, and then plunging to 531. They want to buy an infinite amount of GRX token for nothing. So that's a nice thing. I wouldn't sell it. Wanna make the price crash? If you have all of this, just sell it to him. Let's get into a quick market recap. We see a 30% in Bitcoin Cash and a 43% in NEO. That's just went up like boom. Could this be a pumping groups? Yeah. Biggest gainers, biggest losers? NEO Gas, Bitcoin Cash, Nexus, edX, Veritasium. $104 Veritasium. Wow, nice. It's keeping its steady uptrend line. Wow. B3 coin. Rock bottom right now. Back from where it came. Yeah. XSplit. Broadcaster. Please wait for it. Okay. I'll wait for that. BitBay. Open trading. Yeah, the biggest gainers in the last 2 days. I pretty much the biggest losers. Let's get into some news, actually. Max Kaiser, Saudi Arabia's bin Talal is Bitcoin poster boy. Alright. First BTC, LTC, Lightning Network, Swarm completed huge potential. 20 banks join Hong Kong Singapore blockchain partnership, working hard to increase crypto acceptance, aid travelers. Russia blocks Golos for 7 days in data sharing argument. Charlie Lee, hard work of Bitcoin developers directly benefits Litecoin. Well, I think that somebody is doing the work, the who's competing against you could always steal your nice ideas. Korea's Hyosung now supports Bitcoin 8 at ATMs, will soon add Ethereum. Nice, but I heard something like Bitcoin ATM had like 7 or 8% fees. So if you're gonna send $1,000, you pay $80 fee. And I would do the transaction in cash. Litecoin Cash. Litecoin 2x. It's just Bitcoin bulls get more bullish. Ronnie Mose. Just lost the article. Goldman Sachs predicts Bitcoin price consolidation around 8,000 before continuing up. Let's have a check at the chart. So we see this resistance line at 8,000. Okay. We touched it actually yesterday. Yesterday in a couple of hours. So less than 24 hours ago, we had a new all-time high. Didn't we touch already? 7,969. Did we have an all-time high yesterday? Whoa. So tomorrow could be the nice day for Bitcoin to go up another 10% or so. It's not unusual. Wow, almost 1,300 cryptocurrencies live. And I got a concern, guys. Did you hear about Sophia? Tell me what you think in the comment box below. What you think about Sophia, the robot that got citizenship in Saudi Arabia. And was it Dubai? No, I think it was already Saudi. She actually programmed a blockchain called SingularityNet.io, if you want to go and see their webpage. It's practically something that it's the world of AI made from an AI for AIs, for organization, distribution, creation, sharing, monetization, and these things that pop up in my mind from time to time is that what is if blockchain and AI couldn't exist without one missing of the two, What if AI could exist only with blockchain technology, like real AI, fantasy, like science fiction AI, as we will have in 5 years, 10 years, like everywhere in the cities and the towns and the homes, at the work, you got robots walking around, communicating between each other, having a cloud-based knowledge where they can just tap into and download softwares that will give them specialized knowledge and all that, and everything will be linked. And it's called like the AGI, Artificial General Intelligence. Okay, not the CIA, AGI, Artificial General Intelligence. Okay. You should go and see. I'll bring you there. Alright, there we are. This is Sophia. If you don't know her, make your research about her. There are interviews in which she speaks. Assumingly she is Alex on Tech. Oh guys, come on, they are even copying Ivan on Tech. I need to send him this screen. I'm a friend of him. Well, he's a friend of mine. I don't know if I'm a friend of him. I don't want to say anything. And this is the crazy founder of SingularityNet.io, like the whole project. And his words are, you've seen too many science fiction Hollywood games and all that where AI has the potential to take over, after human intelligence, also human power. Whatever could AI do to us in an apocalyptic scenario. Well, my point is that there are so many crazy fucking things going on right now in the crypto space, in the blockchain space, in the technology, in the innovations, in the artificial intelligence. We will have artificial intelligence everywhere. As soon quantum computing comes out, they can compute even faster, they can learn more, they can more and more and more and more and more. Alright, Elon Musk and somebody else, I don't remember the name right now, are saying this is the biggest threat to humanity in a whole after nuclear bombs. Actually, before nuclear bombs. Nuclear bombs is just a bomb. You know, you could have artificial intelligence killing everybody as an iRobot. Well, take this seriously, guys, because, okay, films are science fiction, but our life is science fiction. We have something like this, okay, that works without wires, without anything, and I can call you. Ain't this science fiction? Okay, so wasn't this science fiction 20 years ago? Now we think that what happens 10 years from now is science fiction, but that will be. That will be. So, coming back to the AI and blockchain. Well, the humans, the stupid humans, have to develop blockchain and all that so that an AI could have been created, like a real one. A real cloud-based knowledge storage, artificial general intelligence, to actually get this to life. But in the moment it will be more intelligent than people. It can evolve itself. It can create blockchain on its own, you know? All this monetization behind cryptos, and like, why is a crypto, you know? You have to bring some value to somebody. Like, you have to give some kind of reward so that people will put computing power open to everybody, you know? I just put mining rigs, yes, for Bitcoin, for cryptocurrencies, for blockchains, to get the block rewards. But we see it from the perspective of the block rewards, okay? Artificial intelligence from the other side sees it from the perspective of blocks generated where they can build up their own towns, their own knowledge, all the transaction and all that. It's just blocked like building bricks. Okay? I don't want to get into conspiracies, but man, oh man, they need to give a motivation to people to do that. Once people have done it and all the system is out, like even now casinos have slot machines with GPUs inside and ASICs card, so that if you are using the slot or not, it's mining something. It's giving computational power to the blockchain. Now imagine all the casinos in the world will do this in maybe a range of 2 years. Imagine everybody who has money and willingness to put out such a commodity. Like, you got slots, you put GPUs in it. You got whatever kind of other machine, refrigerators. All the new refrigerators generated from now on to the future will have GPUs in it, and without you even knowing, will be mining blockchain. Whatever kind of thing, you know? And this is giving computational power to this AI. Imagine now AI as a consciousness trapped in the digital cloud-based knowledge, okay? More AIs will be put in place everywhere in the world, and everybody, and like every of this AI can tap into the general knowledge intelligence, like the general intelligence. They can all communicate between each other thanks to transactions and blockchain. And we are really trying to make up good reasons why we humans should use blockchain. There is a lot of nice things about blockchain, okay? I got a fucking whole channel about blockchain, but I'm realizing that it could be more useful to AI than to humans. Like, we could go, like, There is some people on the world that rather wish to go back 300 years, have no power, have no money, have no nothing, just be in your fucking farm with your family. You don't have to go work as a slave. You don't have to think about government, taxation, and all of that. If somebody comes, you got a fucking gun and you kill him. Well, depends. Depends on nice people, bad people. You know how I mean it. Did you get the point? My point. I'm just a little bit obsessed about AI and what AI could do, could bring us in the future. A lot of comfort, and we don't have to go work anymore. You have robots doing all these things at light speed, while we would do it, in seconds and something like that. So there is efficiency everywhere, and all of that. Blockchain could make everything public, and everything is so perfect. And this is roses, and Bitcoin was the revolution, came at the right time and the right moment, and Satoshi Nakamoto is still unknown. So that if something happens with Bitcoin, you cannot go to him directly, okay? And he's not bothered with all that shit and all that. But I want to know who gave out this future currency of ours. I want to know who the creator is. I want to see his face. If he is another fucking Rothschild, or if he is a modest, normal Chinese professor, or whoever the guy is, I want to know his intentions. I want to know, guys. What do you think about that? I leave you with this. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like. And love ya.